Hey everyone, what's good, what's up, and what's cooking oil?
What's going on? What's cooking oil?
It's Una here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a mini unboxing slash first impression of some luxury designer fragrances. Let's get on into the video. So I've got three fragrances. Please do forgive me if I do pronounce them incorrectly. The English bundles are depleting at a very fast rate, so please do forgive me. So I've got C by Giorgio Armani, and then I've got Decadence by Marc Jacobs, and the last fragrance is La Vie est Belle by Lancome. So the first fragrance I'm going to be opening is C. Forgive the rustling of the plastic. Fancy. Okay. These are all 30 mils. I won't go into the notes because I don't have any experience in none of that. But it smells very nice. It smells very nice. Okay, let's open the next one. Which I should open? Okay, let's do Marc Jacobs. The box is like fancy type of texture. It's a very fancy type of texture, almost like, what do I call it? Whoops! Imagine I drop it. Very good packaging. Ooh. So here is the bottle. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And then there's, I think, the lid in here. Let's just unbox that as well. Okay, so in the box, I think there is the lid. Ooh, that's also wrapped up in here. And this is like really well packaged. This is so fancy. So this is the lid. It's like a little hand bag type of thing. Just take out the fragrance. And I think it goes on. Already I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Wow, no, this is really pretty. Wow, this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, let's see what it smells like though. I can still smell C in the air, so I don't know how accurate this is gonna be. It's nice. Ooh, yes. It is. Okay. So that was Decadence. I don't think I'm going to be throwing away any of these boxes because they are too pretty. Alrighty-o. Last one is La Vie est Belle. Let's open this one. Pretty packaging, so sparkly, and it also has braille on the side, which is pretty cool as well. Nice one. It's so pretty. It's got a little scarf thingamajig. It is really pretty looking. The glass is so yeah, this is very pretty. It's good. It smells very fruity. It smells very fruity. It's very nice though. It is very nice. And that concludes my mini unboxing slash first impressions of these fragrances. Comment down below which ones are your favorite or which ones you think I should try. Thank you so much for watching this video until this far. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. Also, turn on the post notification bells to be notified of any future uploads. Thank you so much. Bye.